Hey there, my name is Brune, and welcome to Factorio. We're playing a mod for Factorio, called Exotic Industries. I flubbed that intro. That was kind of funny. I was just really excited to get back into this and was just thinking about this build, but I digress about that. Let's just continue on and bring this coal portion down. So this will, even though this is mirrored, will resemble this in a sense, I'm guessing. Actually, no, that's not true. Well, because yeah, I do need the coal to join up on this side. You know, I think I won't stress about it too much, about where I need to put those things, because as long as this positioning is correct, I can add undergrounds and everything to this coal later on, and it'll be all good. As KOS would say, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Let's see here. Okay, so this will, yeah, this is where I actually do need it to jump over. And I imagine, and like you can imagine, possibly a second one coming in like this. And so I think max jump would be right there, or max space of that undergroundy. And then here would be the max space again. Oh, but I'll say I just realized something too, that this is the classic, just like the steel, I need to also have coal on this side. So this, oh man, I'm glad I didn't build the whole thing yet. Actually, so that belt can stay there. I will need that, but we're gonna use, actually I can just come up here and borrow it instead of putting it down. Actually, I don't have robots. It doesn't matter because I'm the one building it anyways. We'll have the robots shortly, though. Very, very shortly. So it'll be like this. And this is where it is, so I can actually build this now. And this will be correct. Everything else I'm sure of is correct. But we just need to be able to get coal in here. Actually, I just need to rotate those. That backwards, because I want to have a central lane here. You'll see what I mean. Actually, is this just faster just to build them? Or wait, can I just, yeah, we can just go like that for our coal input. So what I'm getting at is, you know what, I am going to do the delete planner because I see myself doing this a lot. And let's set this up. So I don't want it to get ghosts. How do I find those again? There's a way to, oh yeah, you click on this and down here. So entity ghosts. And we want to whitelist. Only selected filter items when selecting an area. Yeah, we want to whitelist those. So now, if I try and drag it over this tree, nothing happens, but I can delete all of these ghosts. Is it possible to get rid of those deletion markers? Tile ghost. No, I don't think so. That is okay though. But what's going to happen is, I can't remember if I did this with the steel or not, or how I did this. I think I did this with the steel. But we'll have the long-headed inserters taking it out and putting it on a center belt here. See here. Oh, yep. That was a weird hotkey that I accidentally pressed. Should be able to just flip this. And it should work. just fine. As long as it's lined up correctly. That does seem odd. Yeah, there we go. Ah, it's because it's missing a red-handed long inserter down here to take it out of that one. So that's where coal will be coming down. Oh, I suppose I did. I think I maybe had the output and had them join up here at the top, because then I could just do coal as one input. But either way, this is going to work. Let's get off the belt. Okay, so this needs to come up to here. Coal coming in here. What's kind of the quickest way I could split this off here? Ooh, the music's getting really intense. Uh-oh. Okay, no, nothing's coming. At least as far as I know, this game's music does not intensify as it goes onward. So let's see here. I'm trying to think, is there... so if I like design maybe the quickest way to put both of these on one side, I think is like that. But that's weird. I don't know if I like that. I can also just use undergroundies. Like that. Oh wait, but then they're, well, actually it won't matter. Oh wait, but I can't disconnect them from each other, so we cannot use undergroundies. I think it's just going to have to be weirdly balanced, which is okay. Okay. We'll go like this, I guess. They need to be there. Yeah, right there is close enough. Oh man. The Factorio music honestly gets stuck in my head a lot. I really, really enjoy the Factorio soundtrack. I hope there will be new music added with the expansion. That would be amazing. So, I actually just realized something kind of interesting. This whole build takes just coal. Straight up, that's all it takes. Oh my goodness, you know what I just realized? That this is the coal to power these things, not to power the machine. Oh, there's hope for it being balanced. So then I can go like this. Have coal coming in that way. Oh, but then I can't do it there. Wait, I guess I can. Like that, reverse it. And then we can put this right here. Haha, and you can do the same thing. Why not? It looks cool. Great. So now, we need to figure out how to get power in here somewhere too, which I'm probably going to go with one boiler to power this. I mean, I'm guessing it's going to be 4. And we can use the same method as before, where we just put 4 along here. sure this will be too much. But this should also make it easy to connect it on up here. It'll just go right through the ghost there. Yep, that's fine. Get water down there. We gotta take the Belt Express. Oh yeah, now we're making some steam. So, the question is again, how do you get the steam into your steam machines? Let's see here. I think best way is probably going to be... Man, this I did this so tightly here, I didn't leave space to add extra stuff in. I think this will be like so. And so it kind of makes me want to possibly have it snake around here. Let's see if I do that like this. Or the coal coming in over there. Am I able to bring it in through that way? Well, actually, we can just do one of these maneuvers where we go up to, and then we do an underground over that way. There we go. Ooh, I don't have any of the stone quarries. Okay, how many more do I need? I need 15. Wonder if I have enough pipe. Oh, I have like 600 pipe. This should be plenty. I'm questioning if I have enough steam inserters though. I have a sneaky suspicion I might run out of those. I think we'll be able to get one side of this done, which this is enough to supply the whole thing. So this one will handle definitely everything up there. So did I put one? Say perfect. Crushers. Do I have enough of these? Stone quarries? No, not quite. Belts. We're also going to need to put some more burner inserters. And yeah, let's just get this one side done here. I suppose if that gets them powered that way. I don't need to put a bunch of extra pipe down in the center. Okay, all that has steam. We need coal for that, and I don't know how much, actually, does it say? No. Oh, because that's a ghost. It does not say how much coal it uses. Maybe if it's running it will. Oh, it uses a tiny amount. That's great. That's great to hear. Okay. So I just need to get some steam. Ah, look at it, it's already rocking and rolling. Just need to get some steam. Just need to get some coal coming down here. And so there was, I thought, a coal resource here that I set up. Yes, and perfect. All this coal that was in my inventory got used up. Now we can do something like so. And let this coal come down and supply the ingredients for this machine over here. That's too far. You know, and I'm anticipating us probably putting the ceramic down here or something. Okay, here comes the coal. So that should kick that off. Yeah, I definitely don't have enough inserters. Let's see how far I can get though. Yeah, I definitely do not have enough. Okay, so let's do slag removal. Let's see here, that iron is going straight up that direction. Probably won't put another iron stack in here, so I can have this one directly next to it. Let's do the old giving 2 spaces. That seems to be the very optimal play for this stuff. But this one will also be connecting just directly into the circuits over there. The green circuits build. Okay, so we're going to be coming back for this when we are ready to do the ceramic. I forgot about it for a second there. Couldn't think of its name. Oh, and we're almost out of belts too. Okay. This can be deleted. Well, the buildings take a little bit extra more time to pick up. Makes sense, they're bigger. Coal on the ground that I forgot to pick up there, that's fine. Okay, so we need to do some sort of splitting action here. Yeah, this one will be the top line here, but I'll leave it disconnected because I don't have my splitting action method figured out yet. This is going to filter the slag to the left. Slag, where are you at? And we'll do the same maneuver up here. Oh, we're out of that stuff. Out of the belts. Well, taking a trip to the mall is a good time for it to be dark right now. Don't have to miss out on seeing me build anything. Let's see here, I almost want to bring this one up to, is that 800? Yeah, let's do that. 600 doesn't seem like enough all of a sudden. Inventory is getting kind of full of a lot of slag and things. Let's actually go drop that off. There's a few random things like this dark age technology and things that are kind of just soaking up space. Here, I'm gonna put that in there. Don't need this anymore. Don't need that blueprint anymore. And oh yeah, let's come over here to bring the slag up while we go to put the rest of the slag away. You know, I'm gonna do the same maneuver, literally the exact same maneuver I did over there. So down like so. Oh, of course. Missed it by that much, as they say. Now any slag that comes up, we'll just hop onto that line and go over. There's potential for some of these lines to get clogged if the... Well, no, because it should never back up. The slag, the stone product should always get used, in a sense. So let's see here. I think I can just grab my slag, slam it into these machines. Did that take care of it? Yep, I think I'm all out of the slag. Beautiful. I can probably just grab this coal, fill up any boilers I see or things like that. There we go. Okay. Wanted to pick up some more inserters and things, so that's why I was kind of okay doing a little detour there before we moved along to the ceramic problem. But I know I'm going to need enough essentially for both builds here. So let's yonder over to the other end. I suppose picking up some stone bricks would be nice next time around here to bring a bunch of that down. Do I need this stuff? Or ceramic? No, that is just made in an assembler, correct? Yeah, correct. Yep, that'll just be the... Oh, I will need these for the quarries though. I'm gonna grab a bunch of those. Stone quarry things. I don't have those up here. Looks like I'm getting low on these. We're gonna just take half that. Perfect. Looks like we have tons of pipe still. I don't think I need to mess with getting more of that just yet. I will, however, pick up more steam inserters. And more of these red-handed ones, just because we're going to use a lot of them shortly. Alright. Yeah, and there's plenty of time to just go down there and finish building the other ones, so we'll do that. You know, I think because I have all the materials, I'm going to grab this, and we'll potentially build that down over there. I suppose because we're also extending so far out with this, we're extending very far south. Building the car soon could be a very good choice. Actually, I wonder if I just picked up a bunch of this. Oh, picked up a bunch of this. Could I get enough to just make the car? Yep. Ta-da, one car coming right up. That'll actually help a lot. I can probably zip between here and the mall much quicker now. Let's check. Oh yeah, plenty of space with the pollution cloud at the moment. That's great. So let's bust this. Oh yeah, and then I was going to place this down here because we're going to build it around here somewhere. Okay. Putting an inserter then. Man, I gotta say, I really am loving this mod so far. The whole idea of just having, ooh, right before 12 hours. We're cruising. I've really, like this whole idea of having steam inserters and steam assemblers, like, already has just added a lot of fun to the game so far for me. And because we have everything online on this side, we should be able to use the max rate or the rate calculator to see how many boilers we actually need. Need 2 pipes there and 1 there. Perfect. I've heard that, or at least as on the website, it says that this mod should take people about 100 to 150 hours. So I'm not going to be trying to speedrun it by any means, but I'm hoping to be on the 100-hour end. We'll see, and it also depends on how much fun I'm having and if I have any crazy ideas for things to do at the late game. You know, I might want to shoot for making a mega base or something like that. You know, we'll see when it comes to the end. Oh, almost missed a entire chunk right over there. Okay, let's actually grab the max rate calculator while it's dark, and this is very nice and lit up. Okay. So it looks like, yeah, 1 would supply an entire side over here. I'm gonna go with 2 just to be safe. You know, or I should just trust the max rate calculator and believe. If it says 1 should do it, well then, whoa, not the delete. Yep, +2. Okay, it should only take 1. Now it's kind of weird to me that that's separated out like that. There we go. So now it makes me want to put this one essentially in the same position as that, so I can mirror it right here. And there's no water coming in now. There we go. So now I need to bring this part down over here. Here, let's do it in one fell swoop. Kind of come left to right over here. It's gonna come down here. Needs to split off right there. Oh, I got moved by the belt as I was running over here. And I did a jump across it that way. Oh, no, I didn't. It is one more ahead. Yep, perfect. Oh, and then that one is the wrong direction. You hate to miss that. Okay. Oh, I'm doing it. Doing the running along. That was cool. Okay. You know, it's actually really interesting because even though this is technically taking it in as fuel, really all this is using is it as, or well, as like an ingredient, it's really just the fuel to run this thing. So you know, principle of just separating the two. I like that I did that, but yeah, all the steam is being eaten up by that one at the moment. Or at least a lot of the steam is being eaten up around here, because it looks like it's not being able to make it across and down this way, which is interesting. Oh, it'd probably help if I put the actual red ones in. That's funny. It's kind of hard to tell with everything going on here, but we got there in the end. Perfect. Yeah, it looks like the one does support the whole thing. Just a little over 30 minutes. So that's perfect. Good episode right there. Well, thank you for joining me on this one. I'm excited to do the ceramic in the next one, because we're this much closer to jumping ahead here and getting on the getting into a whole new age with the nanobots. That's really going to change the gameplay completely here. So I'm really looking forward to that. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.